Say, sir, how you doing? Hey, man, lady, what's going on? Today's topic is that right there. Did y'all see that? Yeah, y'all did. Today's topic is basically, where these niggas from? Where these niggas from? People, please tell me where these niggas from. You know, I hate when motherfuckers say, oh, I'm from New York. I'm from California. I'm from Atlanta. How the fuck you stay in Atlanta, but you from California, but you been down here since elementary school, and you still been here? How the fuck you from California when you moved when you were 3 years old? What the fuck do you know about Cali? Nigga, you don't know shit. The only thing you know about California is where it's at. You ain't never been down there. I don't give a fuck if you went to go visit. Nigga, you ain't been there long enough. Nigga, once a summer is not goddamn, and you ain't down there at once every 3-4 years, cause your mama and dad ain't got that much money to send you all the way to California from Atlanta. Especially when they stand in a damn 3-bedroom apartment and you don't even got the bed. You on the floor. Alright, man, you know, and also I hate this. I hate false claimers. How the fuck you gonna be Crip one day, then Blood the next day? Then that week you calling, that week you talking about some nigga, y'all real G shit, nigga. Don't throw that up if you can't do it. Look, I'm real. This real speak right here, nigga. Where you from? I know where I'm from. I'm from East Atlanta Flash Show. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, I'm the nigga that go around fucking folks' mamas, and that's what I do. But look, I ain't finna sit there and tell nobody, hey man, I'm from New York, dog. I'm from New York, bruh. What happened, cool? Nigga, you sound like you from the A to me, nigga. You sound like a straight down south nigga. What's happening? What's that down south bastard? Cause niggas like me who go around fucking folks' mamas, that's because we ain't got no daddy. So we just go around fucking folks' mamas, get them hell, then we get the fuck on. Nigga, I'm your daddy, bitch. Hey, check this out. Like I say, look, man, look. Where you from is where you from, but it ain't where you from is where you at. Nigga, stop all this Kodak moment shit, man. Hey, look, I know you wanna be from New York, you wanna be from Cali. You know, hell. You know where I wanna be from? I wanna be from inside your mama pussy with my dick. That's where I wanna be from. I don't wanna be from goddamn New York. Hell no. I love where I'm from. Why? That's the A. I don't give a fuck about all the fame we got here, but look, hey, let me say one thing and I'm out. Remember, I'm that nigga that go around fucking folks' mamas. Why? Cause I'm insane, bitch. Bye.